Good morning. Here we are in San Bernardino, and as you can see, we are doing a floor, Douglas Fir. You can see the condition. This was covered by a carpet. We're going to be redoing this entire floor. Customer has not decided if he's going to go stained or natural. We're going to leave some samples for him to take a look at in the back. It's an upstairs area, small hallway, 2 bedrooms. We already got started on this side, and you can see the difference. This over here looked like that over there. And over here, we have a staircase that we're going to be redoing. Some of these nosings have to be some repairs done, some filling. And as we head down, you start seeing the difference. Again, we're not sure if he's going to go with stain or natural, but either way, it's going to look a lot better.